Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdul Rahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tarfpura. Today is this economics for 11th. Our topic is, which is the same from last 5 or 6 days, that is measurement of dispersion, and subtopic is individual series shortcut method. As you know that yesterday and my previous lecture I have did the same topic, that is measurement of dispersion, but the subtopic was this individual series and individual series and direct method. Today the same topic is but in shortcut method. As this measurement of this individual series, standard deviation. What is meant by standard deviation? Standard deviation, it is the most widely used measure of the arithmetical average of the square of deviations taken from the mean. Now, if here is given, or if we are asked that the datas which are here 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23, 24 and 26. Find out the standard deviation from these following datas. As the total number here are, if we will count these numbers of datas, those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will repeat it. The total number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Not 11, because 23 is not here. So the numbers are 11 and the size or x, we can say frequency, those are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 and 26. Dear students, you can write it on your copy during my lecture also, so that you will not get any confusion. So now I have written here in column first 1 to 10 the serial numbers, and column number 2 the size which are given in the question. Now what to do now? We have to find out the standard deviation. The formula for the standard deviation and shortcut method is, I will write here what is the formula. That is here, this is standard deviation, under root sigma dx square by n minus bracket begin sigma dx by n whole square. Now we will do this question according to this formula, because this formula will guide us what we need. That we have to do here and these columns. Now the third column, to get what we need and this formula, that is deviation from assumed mean. Deviation from assumed mean, that is dx is equal to x minus a. Here I have mentioned here assumed mean 20, but you can take, it is not necessary that from this series you will take only 20, you will take 22, 24, or you can add these all numbers and you will divide by this total number of this total number, this 10, what you will get there. You can also write assumed mean of that. So I am assumed here, this I have taken assumed mean here as 20. Now we will solve this dx, deviation from assumed mean, dx squared, x minus a. X is here given. Assumed mean is 20. Now we will get these. We will make subtraction of these. X minus x is 8, a is 20, 8 minus 20. I will repeat, 8 minus 20 is equal to 12. And the next 10 minus 20 is equal to 10. 12 minus 20 is equal to 8. And 14 minus 20, 14 minus 2. But here you will get this mark minus. Minus is larger than this plus item. Minus 12, minus 10, and minus 8. Here 14 minus 20, that is equal to minus 6. 16 minus 20 is equal to minus 4. 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 2. You will write down 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. 22 minus 20 is equal to 2. That is plus 2 because 22 is more than 20. And 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. 26 minus 20 is equal to 6. Now, if we will add this dx, 12 minus 10 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2, that is equal, and then plus sign is 2, 4, 6. This here the total of minus of 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2 is more than the plus 2, 4, 6. So by subtracting these plus numbers from the minus, we will get sigma dx is equal to minus 30. I will repeat it here. First of all, we have to add these numbers with sign minus. Then with the numbers with sign plus. Then which we will subtract them with each other. But here the number of minus are more than the plus. So by doing plus and minus, we have got minus 30. Now in formula here we need sigma dx. Now we get that sigma dx. Now we will do the square of divisions. This square of dx. We will do now square of these divisions. Here minus 12 into minus 12 is equal to 144. Minus 12 into minus 12 is equal to 124. Minus 10 into minus 10 is equal to 100. Minus 8 into minus 8 is equal to 64, because minus into minus is equal to plus. When we will multiply the two numbers having the sign minus, that is plus. Minus 6 into minus 6 is equal to 36. Minus 4 into minus 4 is equal to 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. 0 into 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, that is equal to 0. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 6 into 6 is equal to 36. That here we have did the square of the division. Now, if we will add them, then the sum of these dx squares, or we can say the sigma dx square, sigma dx square is equal to, when we will add them, that is equal to 420. 420. Now, dear students, dx square, sigma dx square is now available. Sigma dx, that is also available. Now, what is the formula to find standard deviation by the shortcut method? The formula is standard deviation is equal to root sigma dx square by n minus sigma dx by n whole square. That is equal to, now see here, sigma dx square. Here we have calculated sigma dx square, that is 420, divided by n, total number of these are 10 numbers, n is equal to 10, divided by 10, 420 divided by n, then minus, here bracket begin, sigma dx by n. What is sigma dx? Here sigma dx, what we did here, that is minus 30. See, minus 30. Sigma dx is equal to minus 30. So we will write here minus 30 divided by n, that is 10 bracket close, or we can say whole square. That is equal to, if you will do 42 here, when we will divide 420 by 10, that is 42 minus 10, 3s are 30, minus, that is 3, minus 3, this square, minus 3 square, which is equal to root 33. How? 42 minus, when we will multiply minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. When we will subtract this plus 9 from this minus 49, minus 9 from 40 plus 42, that is equal to root 33, which is equal to 5, which is equal to 5.74. Here I will clear here this 5.74 root 33 is, that means it is the square of, when we will remove here root, then we have to make 33, which of the number is square is 33, that is 5.74. That means if we will multiply 5.74 into 5.74, that is equal to 33, or you can write here, if we will do 5.74 into 5.74 root 1 root and 5 into 74 will cut out, then there will remain 5.74. Hence standard deviation, this or standard deviation is equal to 5.74. Dear students, I hope that dear that you have understood. It is clear to know, clear to you. Now tomorrow we will do the same topic, that is measurement of dispersion, and the subtopic individual series, but this method may be continuous series and continuous series. This individual series shortcut method, then the method will be the third method, whatsoever that